welcome to Emblem Stay. Today we are having the special cooking event. We are going to make some special wild pork hot pot. This is very special meat in Japan as well. Also for today, we are going to try to taste fish sake. Normally in Japan, before eating, so we will say itadakimasu. It's like thank you for meal, thank you for like cooking, thank you for everything like that. Itadakimasu. Also after eating, we say gochiso sama deshita. This is also thank you for like perfect meal or thank you for cooking as well.